Hey guys, this is a airsoft gun review. I'm gonna show you some of my guns that I got a couple of days ago. I got this gun. Well, first we're gonna start with the ruling, right? This gun is the compact .35 at Walmart. It's a little one, kind of sucks, but it's still a good gun. It goes pretty far actually. It's a decent shooter. The mag on this is 70 rounds. If you don't believe me, it's like a mag, you know. So there's that gun. Then we got the sniper. It's pretty decent. It goes 350 feet per second. It's a good gun. I also got this from Walmart. This one and that gun came with it. It's a good gun. I like it. It's good for sniping. This is a sniper gun. The hot one kind of sucks and everything. But yeah, decently good. But it's one I kind of hate because it goes up and everything. So yeah, good gun. Now the gun is my AK-47 Kalashnikov right there. I got this in the summer. It's a good gun. I use it for wars and stuff. That's automatic. Send it. The clip I have here is not a normal clip. It's not a wind up. It's just a still a good gun. And yeah, I've had this almost a year now. Well, I got it in the summer, but it's a good gun. So yeah, bye.